Tiankeng, unveiling Earth's hidden cathedrals. Imagine a world where the Earth yawns open, revealing hidden ecosystems untouched by time. Welcome to the realm of Tiankengs, geological wonders that challenge our understanding of Earth's processes and harbor secrets of evolution. A tiankeng, Chinese, literally heavenly pit, is more than just a sinkhole. It's a colossal geomorphological feature sculpted by millennia of dissolution and collapse. These megadolin, found predominantly in karst landscapes, are defined by their immense scale, depths and widths exceeding 100 meters, and their dramatic vertical walls. The term itself, a relatively recent addition to geological lexicon, encapsulates the awe and grandeur these formations inspire. For geologists, Tiankengs represent unparalleled natural laboratories. The birth of a tiankeng is a slow, relentless saga etched in soluble carbonate rocks like limestone and dolomite. The process unfolds in distinct, yet interconnected stages. Dissolution dynamics, acidic rainwater, enriched with dissolved carbon dioxide, acts as the primary sculptor, slowly dissolving the bedrock along fractures and bedding planes. This chemical weathering process excavates extensive underground cavern systems. Catastrophic collapse, the repeated roof collapses of these subterranean chambers, often triggered by tectonic shifts or fluctuations in the water table, mark a pivotal moment. These collapses initiate the formation of the Tiankeng's characteristic vertical profile. Erosion's enduring influence, surface water and underground rivers further sculpt the nascent Tiankeng, widening the opening and deepening the pit through mechanical and chemical erosion. This ongoing process ensures the Tiankeng's continued evolution. The confluence of thick carbonate strata, exceeding 500 meters, abundant rainfall, and a steep hydraulic gradient are critical preconditions for Tiankeng formation. These factors amplify the dissolution and erosion processes, driving the creation of these geological behemoths. Tiankengs are characterized by their staggering dimensions, often ranging from 100 to over 600 meters in both depth and width. Their morphology is equally striking, featuring sheer vertical cliffs that plunge into the abyss, debris cones accumulating at the base, and the presence of active rivers carving their way through the depths. These unique geological structures foster isolated microclimates, creating havens for endemic species and ancient forests. The Shaojai Tiankeng, for example, boasts a self-contained ecosystem, a testament to the power of isolation in driving evolutionary divergence. While Tiankengs are found in various parts of the world, they are most prevalent in China, particularly within the South China Karst region, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Shaojai Tiankeng in Chongqing, renowned as the deepest, 662 meters, and largest by volume, stands as a prime example. The Dashiwai Tiankeng in Guangxi is celebrated for its verdant forest floor, a vibrant testament to the ecological richness these formations can support. Beyond China, notable Tiankengs exist in Mexico, Sortono de las Golondrinas, and Papua New Guinea, although they are less common and often smaller in scale. The distribution patterns offer valuable insights into the geological conditions conducive to their formation. Tiankengs are biodiversity hotspots, harboring unique flora and fauna adapted to their isolated environments. Rare ferns, cave-dwelling organisms, and even blind fish thrive in these subterranean realms, offering invaluable insights into evolutionary processes. These geological formations serve as natural archives, providing researchers with a window into past climates, karst processes, and the intricate interplay between geology and biology. Studying Tiankengs allows geologists to reconstruct past environmental conditions and understand the long-term evolution of karst landscapes. The awe-inspiring nature of Tiankengs has made them popular tourist destinations. Infrastructure, such as staircases and viewing platforms, has been developed to facilitate access, as seen in Shaojai Tiankeng. However, this influx of visitors presents both opportunities and challenges. The protected status afforded to Tiankengs within UNESCO sites underscores their importance. However, threats from pollution, unsustainable tourism practices, and climate change necessitate proactive conservation strategies. Balancing tourism with ecological preservation is crucial for ensuring the long-term health of these fragile ecosystems. While Tiankengs share similarities with other karst features, they possess distinct characteristics. Sinkholes, for example, are generally smaller and exhibit more varied formation mechanisms. Cenotes in Mexico are water-filled sinkholes found in limestone, often near coastal areas. Blue holes are submerged vertical caves found in marine environments. Understanding these distinctions is essential for accurate geological classification and interpretation. Climate change poses a significant threat to Tiankengs, altering hydrological patterns and potentially destabilizing the surrounding landscape. Human encroachment, driven by agriculture and urbanization, further exacerbates these challenges. International recognition, such as UNESCO World Heritage status, provides a framework for conservation. Ecological monitoring programs are essential for tracking changes in biodiversity and environmental conditions. Controlled tourism, coupled with sustainable management practices, can help minimize the impact of human activities. Conclusion: Tiankengs are more than just geological curiosities, they are Earth's hidden cathedrals, offering a glimpse into the planet's dynamic processes and the evolution of life in isolated environments. As geologists, we have a responsibility to study, understand, and protect these invaluable natural treasures. Support research initiatives, advocate for responsible tourism, and promote conservation efforts to ensure that future generations can marvel at these awe-inspiring wonders. Let's work together to preserve these geological marvels for scientific study and the enduring legacy of our planet's biodiversity.